Yo, what's up? Good day mga ka-runners. So for today's run, we have an aerobic endurance run composed of 50 minutes easy run and 4 sets of 15 seconds sprint after nung easy run natin. So medyo mahaba yung pacing natin ngayon kasi almost 1 hour siya. So at least siguro mga 8 kilometers to. Sana kayanin natin. So early in the morning, start na agad tayo para hindi na tamarin later. So today, I'm wearing a new apparel again. Nike Stride shorts. Pairing yan. So let's have some fun and let's have some more energy. Let's go. Let's run. Run for your life. Did you know, guys, seeing a bright color early in the morning can increase your good mood and increase your energy. Kaya magsuot tayo ng mga gantong kulay. Let's go. First kilometer, 7:58. Second kilometer, 7:05. KM3, 6:53. Halfway na tayo, guys. Forma na makikita natin, oh. So yan ang benefits ng running. Nakikita nyo yan. Green fields with an orange one. KM4, 7:27. KM5, 6:15. KM6, 6:20. KM7, 6:32. KM8, 7:08. KM9, 7:23. KM10, 6:17. So we finish our aerobic endurance run with day 59. So 8K lang siya pero nadagdagan ng 2K. Sinagad natin ng 10K. So I hope I encourage you again to be active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life. Let's go. Peace and bye-bye.